Today I will recommend our new type gas flat stay gas spring for you. This one is flat stay. You can stay at within 60 degrees and for different height of people like me. If the height is short, if you close the normal gas spring, if the door is very high, I will turn and open the door. And if you use the flat stay, I only open a little, and I can get the door. I can close the door. But this one is too high. I can't close the door because the gas spring will open directly to the top. So I can't catch the door to close. And the flat stay, it's better to install with the soft close hinge. If with the normal hinge, without soft close, it will it will have noise and damage your cabinet like this. And if install with the soft close hinge, it will soft close, very silent and without noise. And this is our new type, very small. And this is the old type, very big. And this is the old type. This is the new type. And this one is very small and nice. So you can put more stuff in your cabinet. You can have more space and to lift more goods inside. And you can very easy to put all goods very easy to inside and outside like this.